Okay, so we've just had a triple algo, but it's not locked in yet. Just going to try and mark it up here. I'm moving quite quickly. So there's the algo there. We've just had a massive sell-off. But supply is drying up and demand is coming in. We've seen very little supply since there, so we're going to keep an eye on that. Let's keep an eye on that there. We've also seen cumulative delta flip, and we've got some moderate M pace coming in. There's not a lot going on. This is late in the day. This is UK time. We are just got to 17:30, coming up for 6 o'clock. So what we're looking for now is, what I would look for would be for a break of this high here, generally these two highs here, and I would look to see this locking in. As long as that stays triple algo, and then we've got positive delta on the wave, but the wave's not finished, so it's just a waiting game at the minute. I'm not gonna take any trades at the moment. We're just gonna see if this stuff locks in. Trading, unfortunately, is a waiting game. It's boring as you like, but it's the boring stuff that makes you the money. Okay, so I'm just going to take these arrows off. Take that off there, that off there. Let's see what happens. I might cut this video down a little bit, I'll speed it up if anything does happen, because this is boring as shit to watch. Okay, so like I said before, we're waiting for a break of this level here, really, across there. We can get a break of that, or we can just go one pip above, also one tick above. Then that's our entry point. Okay, so we've gone negative on the wave now. So it's not looking as rosy as it was before. However, we still have a double algo. Also, you can see buyers look like they're in control. So we've got buyers there, here, and here. Just got to make sure we don't get any sellers come in. There's a little bit of supply coming in here as well. Market moves a bit slower this time of day. Sometimes it's nicer to trade this time of day. So you don't give yourself a heart attack. Okay, is the wave finished? So we're just putting in a blue candle. What else can we say about this while we wait? Not a lot really. Cumulative delta is positive now. got some demand. It's very little supply. Looks like we're going to possibly break above. Just going to reload that and just scrape there. Okay, I've just frozen my charts, which is never good. There we go. I'll hopefully catch up. Okay, so we've printed an algo now. So I'm going in.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm going to move my stop down below here. The swing low. I will be looking to bring it up as soon as possible. I'm going to set my target to the Depop. There, I haven't got a lot of levels on here. I've taken all the levels off, so I'm just trading. I'm just kind of trading the MAs and the M-box at the minute. But usually I'll have loads of levels on here that'll tell me what's going on, and I might pick a target in between. But what I'll do is I will keep the trade alive until we see either red X control, which is sellers are taking over. If that goes below zero again, I'm getting out. If we get anything red along here that's above any of the latest green X pace, and also I'll be looking at here to see if we've got any supply coming in. So that's my exit criteria at the moment, and we're just going to leave it and see what happens. To be fair, I would assume you see the MAs here when they cross over. If they cross over, I would assume we would go up and retest. We look like we've got some resistance, and hopefully that'll turn into support at some point. Yeah, again, this is the boring bit. Seeing what's going on, making a decision. I mean, it's late on in the day, volume's a lot lower. What I might do is stop the video and then restart it. If we get stopped out, or if I decide to move the stop or the target, I'll restart the video. So let's stop the video here. So I'm restarted the video. It looks, if you have a look at it, we went sideways, but we were making higher lows, and therefore I stayed in. We had a little bit of red come in here, but it wasn't massive. We've just printed another algo here. It looks like we are making higher highs as well, so I'm staying in. Not going to move my stop just yet. Just have a look on here. So yeah, we've got a there's a Stooges. We've got stooges, and we've got positive on a down wave, and it's with trend, so that's a double algo with trend. Again, we're still going sideways, so whether this actually gets anywhere, who knows. It looks like delta's coming off as well, so I'm just gonna keep an eye on this here, just to make sure we don't go negative. I'm going to pause the video again, and then we'll restart it if I make any changes. Okay, so I'm going to start looking to move my stop up. I'm going to move it below that swing there. We've gone green on the MAs. We're still cumulative delta positive. There's no supply coming in at all. Buyers are firmly in control now. So where would our target be? So I'd be looking at around this area, to be honest. Last low pre-breakdown, Alaton Dante. That's probably where we will target. I'll move my stop down. It's late on in the day. I don't want to be watching this all evening. It's just something I noticed when I fired up. I was doing some videos for yesterday, and it's just something I noticed. Chance of frozen again. So I'm going to move my stop up again to below here. That one there. So we're now in profit. Let's pause the video again, because I don't know if we're going to go sideways. We've got something here that we might hit in the range of this candle, but we're just at the top of that. But we'll see. Looks quite good at the moment. Okay, so we pause and we restart. Okay, so I'm going to move my stop up again, getting close to target now. So I'm going to go, see this large candle here? We broke out this tiny little range, and we're up and around this area. Look, I did say this might be an issue, so let's have a look and see if we get any supply come in. If we get supply come in, we're out. If we get any red candles on the X pace here, we're out. We're just following the trade up now. One candle behind. If it was a smaller candle, I'd have gone a few candles back, but I like this one here. So we're fairly close to target. I want to see how it reacts to this area here. This area right here. So we're 46 ticks on side. It's pretty cool. 44, 45. Yeah, there are sellers coming in. There's something here. It's not a level up. Okay, I'm going to close it out there.
Order filled.
So it was this area here. I didn't like it. I don't want to be sitting on this all day. So that'll do me. Trade over for today. I hope you enjoyed that. It's a little bit boring in places. If you like the video, please like and subscribe below, and I'll try and get some more look backs over the past couple of weeks to show you a little bit more about Mbox and how you can identify areas I've been over the past couple of weeks, and there have been some which I've put up to the YouTube channel already, but there's been a lot of chop, and it's not quite as clear as it could be. So I'm going to go back a little further and try and find some better examples. Okay, thank you very much. Cheers, guys. See you in the next video.